Namaste, welcome to Triyogam. Today we're gonna learn about beginner sitting flow with the following key points. What is sitting flow? Why is sitting flow? How to do sitting flow? Don't miss to watch this video till the end. What is sitting flow? In this flow, we have used 6 main sitting postures plus few connecting postures and created a special beginner's sitting flow. How to do sitting flow? Alright friends, sit in Dandasana, feet together. With inhalation, raise your both hands all the way up. As you exhale, slowly bend forward and catch hold your sides of your soles and touch your forehead to your knees. Come into Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend pose. With inhalation, slowly come up and raise your hands all the way up. As you exhale, bring your hands down. Bend your right knee, keep your right heel close to your perineum. Inhale and raise your both hands over your head. As you exhale, slowly bend forward, catch hold your soles or your toes and touch your forehead to your knees. Janu Sirsasana, head to knee pose. Inhale and slowly come up, lift your both hands all the way up again. As you exhale, bring your hands down and bring it behind your buttocks. By taking the support of your both hands, lift your left leg. If you can, lift your hands off the floor. Come into Ardha Navasana, half boat pose. Try to maintain the pose, engage your core. This is very good for your core muscles. Now slowly bring your both hands behind your back and slowly release your legs down. Take your right knee close to your chest and hug your right knee from your left hand. Fold your right hand behind your back. Try to lengthen your spine and slowly look at your right shoulder. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half Lord of the Fish pose. And slowly come forward. Release your hands and take your right knee inside your left knee over your right knee. Try to keep your both knees one on one in a line and slowly take your both hands behind your back between your shoulders. Try to clasp your fingers. As you exhale, slowly bend forward and try to touch your chin to your knees. Come into Gomukhasana, cow pose. And slowly release your both hands one by one, followed by your legs. Release your left leg and your right leg. Now let us begin the same on the other side. Inhale and raise your both hands all the way up. Exhale, go down, come into Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend pose. Janu Sirsasana, head to knee pose. Ardha Navasana, half boat pose. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist pose or half Lord of the Fish pose. Gomukhasana, cow pose. Now let us go to closing sequence. With the support of your hands, extend your both the knees and slowly take your hands off the floor. Come into Navasana, full boat pose. Bring your hands down, and bring your feet down. Taking the whole body pressure on your feet and your hands, try to lift your hip off the floor until parallel to the ground. Stretch your neck as far back as possible. Come into Ardha Purvottanasana. Slowly bring your neck forward and slowly release your hip down. And release your knees and your hands and slowly come into Shitila Dandasana. Observe your breath. Observe your whole body. Why is this sitting flow? This sitting flow stimulates muscular, digestive and circulatory systems. Number 2. Rejuvenates the whole spinal column. This flow massages entire abdominal muscles. Number 4. Improves functions of kidney and liver. This flow increases vitality and improves digestion. If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up, share with your friends. Wanna say something? Comment below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.